Good morning, friends. Today topic is TASCO DG shipping exit exam question and answer part 3. Question number 41. It is the lowest liquid temperature at which the small flame initiate a flash of flame across the surface of the dash flammable gas above the liquid. Answer is flash point. It is a definition, flashpoint definition. It is nothing but that minimum temperature that is required to get the flammable range fire to happen if the external heat is bring into it. That is called flashpoint. Without any external heat, the same liquid able to release a vapor gas, and it by its own temperature it able to release or catch fire, then that is called spontaneous ignition. These are the definition. You please remember it. Question number 42. Emergency steering test and pre-arrival departure steering test are requirements under. Answer is SOLAS chapter 5. Under SOLAS chapter 5 it is a requirement. Question number 43. Crude oil is pumped by dash pump. The correct answer is centrifugal pumps. We have partial displacement pumps like screw pump, piston pumps, air pumps, but it can be able to build up the pressure. The quantity of liquid deliver rate is very less, so we have to go with a larger pump, and also it is very difficult to achieve the required rate of the piece of cargo from your cargo holds. So we always prefer centrifugal pumps which have the priming arrangement. So question number 43, centrifugal pump is the correct answer. Question number 44. Flammable mixture of oxygen is starts at 15% by volume. Option A true, option B false. The correct answer is option B false, because in a flammable diagram hydrocarbon with oxygen it will be 10.8 or 11.5. Within that percentage level only the flammable mixture will start at oxygen, on the point of oxygen. If it is hydrocarbon, more than 1% of hydrocarbon volume present in the cargo oil can lead to a fire. So this both has to be matched in order to fire to happen. So in flammable mixture rate, O2 is 10.8 to 11.5. So that's why safe side SOLAS says 8%. No more than 8% of oxygen present in the air. So question number 44, option B false is the correct answer. Question number 45. Wet oil that has loaded on top should not be used for dash. Option A initial discharging, option B running as drive for cargo ejector, option C priming of cargo oil pump, option C crude oil washing. Wet oil which can easily produce static electricity, so we cannot use that wet oil for crude oil washing. In crude oil washing, there is a more hazardous process, there is a more chance of fire to occur. So for question number 45, the correct answer is option D, crude oil washing. Question number 46, valves not in use should be dash secured and lashed shut. So what is telling is, if the valve is not in use, close the valve, secure the valve, lash it. So in order to prevent falsely opened by vibration or any human error. So for question number 46, secured and lashed shut is the correct answer. Question number 47, washing of cargo tank dash until tests have been made at various levels to establish that the vapor content in any part of the tank is below 10% of LFL, lower flammable limit. Option A, commence. Option B, not commence. Option C, wait for optimum condition. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, not commence. Until or unless your tank atmosphere vapor content reduced to below 10% of LFL, you are not supposed to carry out your cargo tank washing. So option B is the correct answer for question number 47. Question number 48. Nitrous gas NO and NO2 are present in concentration of about gas by volume in inert gas after passing scrubber tower. Option A 0.0002, option B 0.01, option C 0.02, option D 0.001. The correct answer is option C 0.02. He is telling about nitrous gases, not a nitrogen. Nitrogen and oxygen mixture is talking NOx compound. So it will be very less in the inert gas. Okay. So correct answer is option C 0.02. Question number 49. Which of the following statement describes the advantages of using a halon-free fire extinguisher versus CO2 extinguishers? Option A. Halon cools rather than smother a fire. Option B. Halon is more efficient than CO2. Option C. Halon can extinguish combustible metal fire. Option D. Halon is not toxic and safe to breathe under all conditions. The correct answer is option B. Halon is more efficient than CO2. Halon compound is more efficient than CO2. But halon compounds, when it was extinguishing the fire, it liberates the chlorofluorocarbons, which will cause enhance the ozone depletion, damage the ozone layer. That's why we are not able to use halon compound. Otherwise, halon is the best compound to extinguish the fire. So question number 49, option B is the correct answer. Now also we are going to use a halon extinguisher with some chemical measures which will not lead to release a compound of oxygen oxide compound O or O2, O3 to damage the ozone layer. Chlorofluorocarbons will not be released. We have some chemical reaction coming. New coming extinguishers also use halon, but it will not cause damage to ozone layer. Non-inerted tank. Following measures to be taken. Tank walls are open last. Option B. Loading of ballast at very high rate to prevent oil leaks. Option C. Tank walls are opened first. Option D. None of the above. Correct answer is option C. Tank walls are opened first. We are going to do ballasting operation. You open the tank first, then you start the ballast. So option C is the correct answer for this number. But this is for the tank wall. But running the centrifugal pump is required to close the discharge valve, run the pump in order to reduce the load on the motor and reduce the starting current on the ballast pump motor. But the tank valve should be kept open. Otherwise, if you are opening the discharge valve after starting the pump, this pump pressure, flow water will go at a higher velocity. It can damage your valves. Valves are mostly of butterfly type. Butterfly valves, when it go for water hammering, there is a chances of breaking of valves. Bend of valves can happen. So, to avoid this, tank valves should be kept open during ballasting operation. Question number 3, tank valves are open first is the correct answer for question number 50. Question number 51. The gas regulating valve should be opened very slow in order to
Option A, the boiler combustion control. Option B, maintain correct pressure. Option C, maintain correct gas fuel ratio. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. So the gas regulating valve should be opened very slowly in order to maintain the boiler combustion properly. To maintain the boiler combustion properly, you have to maintain the air fuel ratio. If you are changing very fast, boiler will trip because of flame failure. So both A and C are matching, and maintain the correct pressure. Boiler pressure in order to you have to maintain the regulating of the IG pressure also to be maintained. You have to run the boiler in the regular manner. So gas regulating valve should be adjusted accordingly. So for question number 51, option C is the correct answer. Question number 52. What is the unit of flow rate? Option A, kilogram meter. Option B, kilogram per meter. Option C, meter cube per second. Option D, per second. Flow rate is nothing but speed. That is speed, that means amount of flowing of liquid to will be calculated with the amount divided by time speed. Meter cube per second is the correct answer for question number 52. Question number 53. Which type of valves are fitted as the suction valve on the inner gas blower fan? Option A, manually controlled butterfly valve. Option B, automatically controlled gate valve. Option C, automatically controlled butterfly valve. Option D, manually controlled gate valve. What I said for the ballast pump, centrifugal pump, same concept applies to the blower. Blower also work under principle of centrifugal concept. So, discharge valve will be open closed with respect to automatic operation. Gate valves are used, sorry, butterfly valves are used, same little concept. So, option C is the correct answer for question number 53. Question number 54. Prior starting of discharging operation, utmost gas should be given while filling separator of cargo oil pump to avoid. Option A, liquid hammer. Option B, cavitation. Option C, overpressurization. Option D, vacuum. The correct answer is cavitation, as centrifugal pumps are not self-firing pumps. When you are running COP, the chamber has to be filled up. Otherwise, air will be entrapped and returning in the system. This can lead to cavitation, damaging of casing, impeller, and other things to get damaged. So in order to avoid this, we have to fill up the chamber. Question number 54, option B is the correct answer. Question number 55. Pump efficiency is defined as the ratio of option A, pressure to temperature. Option B, temperature to pressure. Option C, water horsepower to pump horsepower. D, pump horsepower to water horsepower. The correct answer is water horsepower to pump horsepower. So option C is the correct answer for question number 55. Question number 56. On ships fitted with non-programmable cow machine, multi-stage oil washing with key is option A, feasible. Option B, not feasible. Option C, needs skilled person. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, not feasible. Question number 57. Temperature of 98% loaded cargo to be measured at dash level to get accurate temperature for gauging. Option A, 2 levels. Option B, 1 level. Option C, 3 levels. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, 3 levels. That is top, medium, bottom. These 3 locations inside the tank of the liquid filled up has to be temperature has to be measured, because the temperature will vary at different location as the radiation of heat, and also conduction process heat will vary at different points. So we have to measure at 3 levels. So option C is the correct answer for question number 57. Question number 58. Immersion to zoning time without assistance. Option A 30 seconds. Option B 1 minute. Option C 3 minutes. Option D 2 minutes. Correct answer is option D 2 minutes. This is as per SOLAS. Question number 59. Printout record of computing unit should be retained on board for option A 1 year, option B unlimited time, option C 2 years, option C 3 years. For example, you can take ODME, oil discharge monitoring equipment. Any alarms will be recorded in the paper or digitally recorded in software. So it has to be retained for a period of 3 years. It is MARPOL requirement. So question number 59 is option D is the correct answer. Question number 60. Flue gases are used directly for inerting. Option A true, option B false. The correct answer is option B false, because flue gas we cannot use directly. It has to be cooled down, because higher temperature can also cause the fire hazard. So it has to be cooled down in the rubber tower, and it is dirty. So that is nothing but a dirty. Yes. So we have to clean it up. SO2 content has to be reduced. Carbon content has to be reduced. Otherwise, corrosion, carbonic corrosion will occur on the cargo tank pipes walls. So it cannot be used directly. So question number 60, option B is correct answer. Okay friends, thanks for your support. If you like my video, please like my video. If you want to see more exam questions up to date and other marine updates, you want to see it, you can see my channel. For that you have to do the subscribe in order to get immediate notifications. And also, if you have any issues, if anywhere my answer is wrong, you can tell me in comment box. If you have any suggestions, any doubt, always welcome on comments. Thank you.